create a new cart abandonment flow. You can go into flows in your Klaviyo account, click on create flow. We're going to choose the abandoned cart reminder. We can make some changes later, but the flow it gets triggered when someone starts the checkout, waits for 4 hours, emails them once, wait for 20 hours, email them again. We'll click on create flow. And now we just want to check some of the variables that are in here in this email. So we're going to click on the email, edit. I'm going to edit content. We're going to click on this item block. Go to rows, dynamic, data source, and we want to make sure that this says event.items, and in the row alias item. Next, we want to make sure that it's first of all event.items capital I, and here in the alias it's just item lowercase I. Now we're going to click on column 1, and we want to make sure that this says item.product name capital P capital N with two curly brackets, and below in link also item.product URL, the P and the entire URL are uppercased. Once we confirm this is correct, our app will automatically populate this information here. We're going to click on save content and done. We want to do the same thing for the second email. You can also change how long it's going to wait before it triggers the email. Some suggest 4 hours, some suggest 1 hour. We're gonna, once we've configured this email, we're gonna click here on manual to change it to live. Same with this one. I'm gonna change it just for testing purposes to 10 minutes, 0 hours, so I can see that this works correctly. Save. And now this flow is ready and active. We can also do a more advanced flow where we offer people a discount. Klaviyo has other cart abandonment. Oh, sorry, not this one. I'm going to go below, prevent lost sales, and then high value versus low value. What this does is also waits start a checkout, and then based on the value, we have two different triggers. If it's less than $100, they just get a regular email. If it's more than $100, we're also going to include a 20% discount. The rest is the same, and if you hit create flow, you can do the same thing there.